Exmark laser Z 60-inch deck with koehler ch22 engine will not start. No spark. I have checked all the safety lockout switches and all appear to be doing the job intended. I have power and ground throughout. Engine cranks but no spark on either spark plug. Replace the ignition switch, checked oil pressure switch. Mower was running, all of a sudden it stopped and would no longer start. Oil level is good and clutch switch disengaged, brake on and seat switch functional.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines, let me try to help you. If the engine is cranking over, it has nothing to do with safety switch. With the CH model, locate the two coils, that will have a single wire that goes to both coils. This is the kill wire. Unplug the wire, and check for spark at the plugs. If you have spark, engine should start. The problem would be the kill wire circuit. http://www.koehlerengines.com/online-catalog/pdf/sm_24_690_06.pdf. Here is the manual. Let me know, we can go from here. Thank you.
I disconnected the white wire from the harness going into the speed control module, which grounds the coils, and the mower cranked up and ran good. What does this mean that the issue is with the kill circuit? I will accept your answer but would like to ask how to troubleshoot further and fix issue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.